How to make the random blend transition. Today's video is sponsored by the Master Splinter. Bring your second clip on top of the first one, overlapping the part in which you want to make the transition. Cut both of the clips to the same duration. Select the cuts, make them a new Fusion clip, and open the Fusion page. Add a transform node to your first clip. Change the edges to mirror. Right-click in the size slider, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, set the minimum to 1, the maximum to 3, and bring down the smoothness slider. Go back to the Tools tab, and modify the center value with shake also. Go to the Modifiers tab, and bring down the smoothness slider. Duplicate the transform node, and paste it over to your second clip. Go to the modifiers of the second transform, adjust the smoothness slider, and hit the reseed button a couple of times for both the size and the center modifiers. Select the merge node. Right-click to the blend slider, and select to modify it with perturb. Go to the Modifiers tab, set the value slider to 0, the strength to 2, and adjust the wobble and speed sliders to your liking. After the merge, bring a time machine node. For this you have to install the Reactor plugin and activate the time machine tool. Change the mode to skip, and keep the skip slider to 1 frame. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you are still here though.